hope everyone can see my screen right now. Okay, sorry. Okay, I hope it's clear enough. So welcome everyone to the BWIS world. What is BWIS? BWIS stands for Billion Wise Investment Solutions. Okay, what is it? Okay, it's a platform, okay, that combines technology and investments, providing ready-to-use intelligent tools for efficient capital management. But we need to know, okay, what is BWIS? Who is BWIS? Let's take a look. Who is BWIS? BWIS is an international company, okay, that has implemented advanced automated solutions for managing crypto investments. It is unlocking new opportunities for capital growth. And what's the product? What does it provide? It provides an automated crypto platform. What is in the platform? There's innovative trading bots, okay, that operate on high precision algorithms to execute trades with minimal risk and maximum efficiency. Hold on. Can you see my screen? It's on the second page right now. Okay, and the location is where is BWIS located? Does it have office? Is it registered? Yes, the answer is yes. It is registered in United Kingdom. And you know, United Kingdom is a jurisdiction known for its high level of trust and standards in the cryptocurrency industry. And what is the key products? We will see that BWIS has 8 algorithmic bots, okay? We will see later on each bot. Those 8 bots, what are they? We will see later on, okay? But each bot is designed to operate under different market conditions. And by doing that, it provides investors with the opportunity to generate income regardless market fluctuation. You know, the market is very volatile. It can go up, it can go down, but the bots can still provide opportunity to make money from the market fluctuations. Okay, if anyone, can you please, my screen sharing is paused. I don't know why I am actually already on the 3rd page, but I don't know why. Do you see? Do I move on the 3rd page right now? Hold on, let me try to share. Something is wrong here. Oops, not this one. Bear with me. Okay. Now, okay. I think everyone can see now, right? Okay, you see. Okay, good. Okay, this was what I was talking about. And then now we are here. So we can see here that the business foundation of BWIS, you know, they have capital that is already allocated to create a high precision mechanism that became the foundation for training BWIS bots, okay, to autonomously trade on cryptocurrency markets. And it will generate profits both for investors and also for the companies. Okay, they share 50-50, so it is an equal share, 50% for the company and 50% for the investors. BWIS has technology in action. So the trained BWIS bots conducts continuous margin trading in automated mode. It will be automatic. You don't need to worry about the trades. You don't need to be worried about monitoring the market because the bots will do the work for you. Okay, and it generates between 1.2% up to 465% net for the investors. This is a daily profit. Okay, what it means is actually the bots generate twice as this. Okay, because it shares 50-50 for the company and for the investors. Now we'll see about the legal and technological assurance of the company. Many people will question this, right? Is it a legal company? Is it safe? So we will see this. The company has authorized capital 323 million British pounds sterling. You can convert this to your own currency. For Indonesian, this will be about 7.5 trillion IDR per rupiah. Yeah, I'm not sure about your local currency, but you know this is a big amount that already being invested by BWIS company. And you know that it is regulated under the UK law to ensure that full transparency and robust protection for every investor's interest. You can see here, this is the certificate of incorporation of private limited company in the UK. In 2024, they registered this in the UK, and then in 2025, this last year, they also registered this in Sydney or Sydney, Australia. Okay. Now, what is it for you? Okay, that's about BWIS. So what is it for the investors? So BWIS give this as a tool for you, for us, investors, networkers, to be successful. How to do that? Okay, the first one is by BWIS is giving opportunity for investment with BWIS. They offer innovative products. Okay, there are 8 automated trading bots that you can choose. And these bots leverage advanced algorithms to operate on cryptocurrency exchanges. Okay, these bots efficiently generate profit. We will see later how much profit that they are generating. And this is fairly distributed between the investors and the company in equal shares. Like I said before, it's 50-50. And then also it offers transparent condition because each bot has a fixed price, a defined operating period, and a clear range of profitability. From guaranteed, what does it mean with guaranteed? It means that the minimum percentage of profit is guaranteed to be shared to you, even though the bot is probably at that day is not executing any trades or is performing below expectation, but investor will still receive the guaranteed percentage, the daily profit in their platform. Okay, and then 2 maximum returns. This will give the investors the confidence and the ability to plan results. And then what is the investor's role here? You can do, your role is just by activating the bot, and the investors can provide with trading capital. How much we will see later, okay? So the capital is the key resource that enables the bot to operate effectively in the market. It will execute the trades and generate stable profits for both parties, the company and investors. And what is the company role? Company's role is to ensure that seamless operation of bots through 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, monitoring. There will be regular updates and continuous software improvement as well. The company will guarantee that the bot stability and performance is stable regardless of market condition. And this is also interesting because BWIS has a partnership program. We will take a look later, okay? of the, and for the networkers, you will really like this one. I will go through this more deep on the second sessions, okay? The next one is, of course, there is support at every step. Now let's see at the bottom, okay, because this is the important points, okay? I said there are 8 bots. What are they? So we will take a look at these 8 bots starting from S bot, okay? Now, every bot operates from Monday to Saturday, okay? And every Sunday they do maintenance. So this is the same for every bot. So I'm not going to repeat the information again for every bot. And profit withdrawal can be done 24/7, okay? What we need to pay attention is on the trading capital, operating period of each bot, the profit percentage, and whether the capital is returned or not. Okay, this is what important for the investors. Let's see. Now for the S bot, the trading capital is starting from 100 USDT, US dollar, until 1,000 US dollar. The operating period is only 10 days. Okay, investor profits 1.2% up to 1.5% daily. And this is quite big, yeah. And then after 10 times of giving profit, the deposit body will be returned. For example, so if you put $100 and then you've got, let's say after 10 days, you will have around 12% until 15%. And then at the end of the day of the contract, your $100 will be given back to you. You can withdraw your capital back. Okay, the trading pairs done by the bot is BTC, ETH, and BNB. The bot's using News Flow Alpha. Okay, the strategy is written here. I'm not going too deep into this. We have the white paper for each bot. If you want to take a look more detail, we can discuss this. But just to make it short, we will not really go into deep into the technical aspect of the bots. Okay. So, and then the next one is the crypto post bot or the CP bot. The trading capital starts from 1,000 up to 5,000 USD. Operating period is 25 days. Invested profits 1.7% up to 2.1% per day. Okay, this means this is the profit that is received by investors. Okay, which means actually the bots make 3.4 up to 4.2% total daily profit. Okay, shared between the investors and the company. And then also the same initial capital, the deposit body is returned at the end of the contract. Trading pairs is more diverse. From BTC, ETH, there is also LTC, TRX, and also BNB. That's CP bot, and then we will go to CC bot or CoinCraft. Okay, the trading capital is 2,500 up to 10,000 USD. Operating periods is a bit longer, 60 days. But take a look at this. The invested profit is also higher, 3% up to 3.6% daily. This is what is being received by the investors, because the bot actually generates 6% up to 77.2% total daily profit. Okay, but pay attention here, initial capital is not returned after 60 days. So actually it is included. Deposit body is absorbed by the bot for using a more profitable strategy. As you can see here, the trading pairs is more than the first 2 bots. Okay, it's more diverse. Okay, it's spread to more coins here. So it is used to generate more profit for you. So you have to pay attention. If you're taking the coin craft, your capital, initial capital is not returned because it is already included in the daily profits. Now let's take a look at PT bot. It's our pro trade. The trading capital is 10,000 up to 25,000 USD. Operating period is 40 days. Investor profits 2.05 up to 2.6% daily. Okay, this is half of what the bot is actually performing, 4.1 up to 5.2%. Okay, shared between the investors and the company. And here, initial capital deposit body is returned after 40 days. 40 days mean excluding Sunday, okay? Because it's only Monday to Saturday. Okay. Next. Yes, Mr. Germano is a very good deal, of course. Now we'll see CE bot coin age. Trading capital 15,000 up to 35,000. Operating period is 60 days. Investor profit is very high here, 3.3% up to 3.9% daily. And the bot actually is making 6.6 up to 7.8% daily. But here initial capital is not returned because it's already included or it's absorbed by the bot. Okay. Now next is the CM bot, Crypto Master. Trading capital is 25,000 up to 45,000 USD. Operating period is 50 days. Investor profit is 2.45% up to 3.2% daily. Excuse me. And then here, the capital is returned after 50 days. Next is BWIS or BW bot. If you have more capital, you can use this one, 50,000 up to 150,000 US dollar. Operating period is 60 days. Investor profit is higher than the other bot, the previous bot, okay? 3.4% up to 4.5% daily. It's quite high. And then you can see here that the trading pairs is more than the previous ones, okay? They're using smart money engine for the strategy. And the QT or quantum trade, the trading capital is 150,000 up to 500 USD. Operating period is 60 days. Invested profit is 5.1% up to 6.3% daily, which is actually the bot is performing 10.2% up to 12.6% total daily profit. But here initial capital is not returned. Okay, the bot is using quantum execution engine as its strategy. What is it? You can take a look at the white paper later on. Okay, we can discuss this more details if you are interested about the bot. So basically, you can have a stable income with these BWIS bots. Okay, now we can see over the last 180 days, these are the performance of each bot. Okay, this is the monthly period, the monthly profitability. X-bot is 32%, because remember, it's 1.2 up to 1.5% per day, right? And then CP bot 42%. You can see here the highest one is what? The BWIS bot. Okay. So you can check here, the highest one is BWIS bot. Now, if you want to compare between the trading done between trader and also the bot, well, of course, we can see that the bot wins, right? Why? Because let's see from data processing, you know, for the trader, it relies on experience and analysis to interpret key market indicators, but it's limited by the volume, and it only can be done manually, right? But the BWIS bot, it can simultaneously process millions of data points. It can identify hidden opportunities, and it can do it faster and with better accuracy. And also about speed and precision. You know, I'm a trader myself, and I am very slow in doing my trades. Okay, I don't know, maybe some traders can do it faster, but of course it's still limited. Okay, trader can respond quickly to market changes, but each decision requires analysis and time. And it is not as fast as what the BWIS bot does, okay? Because BWIS bot, it instantly makes decision and executes trades with a level of precision unattainable for humans. Okay. Now, what about timing? Of course, here, you know, the crypto market runs 24/7, and human trader has a limit here. It operates efficiently only within working hours and limited in accessing round-the-clock markets, right? We cannot be awake for 24/7. But the BWIS bot, they can do it. It can trade 24/7, and it can generate profit even outside of standard trading hours, okay, including night and weekends. But on Sunday for BWIS bot, it is doing maintenance. Okay, BWIS bot only generate profit, only works on generate profit from Monday to Saturday. And then what about market adaptation? Of course, trader can learn and adjust, but it's only based on experience. The BWIS bot, it can automatically update and integrate new algorithms. And it adapts to market changes in real time. And this one is for sure. Human traders have emotion, right? And sometimes it's not stable, but the BWIS bot, fully stable. So this is a no questions. Now we'll see, why do we need to choose BWIS? There's innovation and automation there, okay? Reliability and guarantees. What is being guaranteed is the profit. The minimum profit is guaranteed here. And there's also flexibility. You can choose which bots that suits you, okay, that suits your strategy, suits your capital. So you can choose flexibly what you want to earn, okay, how much you want to earn, and which bots do you want to have. And there's also transparency and security here. Okay, in the BWIS platform, you will see that every trade is reported and also it's transparent. Okay, and there's also 24/7 operations. Of course, it's operate without interruptions. But again, on Sunday, it has a maintenance. Okay, and also there's a fast transaction. So profit withdrawal is fast. I think later on we will have some members who already succeed in doing investment and also can withdraw to speak up to share their experience about this transaction, how fast the transaction is done. Okay. Now this is also also very important. Some people make questions how long this platform will be around. Is this going to be sustainable or not? So this roadmap is the answer. Okay. So actually, BWIS started, the idea of BWIS started from 2021. Okay. From the idea until the making of the development of the bots in 2022. It already launched the online platform to attract the first investor in 2023, but then it registered as a legal platform in 2024 in the UK. Okay, and in 2025, it scaled the platform functionality and also initiate a global marketing campaign. So last year, they opened another office in Australia, in Sydney. Now we are in 2026. So it's already running for, let's say 2 years from its official registration. And it keeps developing for new bot strategies. Okay, there's still process automation and the creation and pre-launch of the BWIS token. So they are preparing a token. In the Q3, they will issue the token, and it will also be registered in the crypto exchanges. Okay, it will be done in 2027. They will list the BWIS token on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin. There are some lists there. Okay, and then 2028, they're going to expand again, of course, expansions of the platform ecosystem. They will have additional services and educational programs for clients. Okay, and then 2029, they will strengthen the BWIS position as a global leader in automated investments. And ahead in 2030, they want to achieve a global recognition as a key player in the investment industry, maintaining sustainable growth, diversifying strategies, and developing long-term plans for the next decade. So they are going to have a new plan on 2030. It doesn't mean it stops here. It's still planning something for another decade on 2030. Maybe like we have discussed earlier, in some community, maybe the RWA, real asset, maybe they are going to start doing it here. We don't know. But they have the plan to diversify their strategy. All right, now go to the steps to success. It's very easy. We can do account registration. Okay, for those who have not yet registered with BWIS, you can ask the one who invites you or your sponsor to ask their referral link. You can do registration. You can gain free access to all the features of the automated investment solutions. And then you can do a top-up on your balance. And then this is what is good about BWIS. You can choose any convenient method to top up your balance. You can use USDT, you can use BTC, you can use ETH, any crypto coin that you have, you can use it for a top-up. Okay, you can check if you bought the pricing, and then get ready to start. The third one is bot activation. You select the bots that aligns with your goals and your capital. You can activate it and start receiving daily profits as early as tomorrow. So it's fast, secure, and simple. Effortless deposit. So it will be when you're doing deposit, your balance is top up automatically, okay, through the system. So it's at 30 seconds here, but I believe that it will also depend on your connection, okay, for deposit and also for withdrawals. It processed in a few minutes. It's at 1 minute up to 3 hours, okay. There are some system here, okay. If you know the withdrawal is done at 8 a.m. up to 6 p.m. European time, okay. You can request the withdrawal at any time, 24/7, but it will be processed at their working hours in European time. And then, of course, there's top levels of security. Okay, so basically that's about the products of BWIS. So it's go beyond investing. If you want to have a more income other than the passive income, because actually when you're having the bots, you are earning passive income. The bots works for you. But if you want to have more income, you can become BWIS partner, and you can join the opportunity, you can expand the opportunities by becoming BWIS partners. And it offers a very good mission. Okay, we will take a look at here. All right, I'll check the questions first before we go to the next session about the partnership. There is a question here from Sheila. How often we can use the bot? Do we need to change the bot after we are done on the other trading bot? Can we stay at the same bot at all times? Okay, so basically it depends on the bot that you choose. For example, you're choosing the S bot. S bot is 10 days, okay? 10 days excluding Sundays, but if including Sunday, it will be 13 days. Okay? Now, actually, you can buy more than one bot. Okay, so for example, you have, I'll go to the, I'll go to this bot first. Sorry. What happened with bear with me, I'm sorry. Okay, for example, you have, okay, for example, you have capital of $500, for example, okay? You can run it, you can choose, you can buy one starter bot of 500, or you can even buy 5 bot of 100. Okay, this is the beauty of BWIS. So yeah, Nicola, thank you. You can run bots whenever you want. There are no restriction on using the same one. Okay, yeah, like what I said, you can choose 5 bots of 100 or 1 bot of $500. Okay, and then after you finish, even before you finish, you can buy another bot. And if you have $1,000 or $2,000, for example, you want to buy the CP bot, even though your S bot is still running, you can do it. Okay, so you actually have 2 bots running for you. One is the $500 and another one is the $2,000, for example. Okay, I hope that explains, Sheila. Nicola, thank you very much for helping the explanation. Okay. Is there any other questions before that? If not, then we're going to continue with the partnership program. Are you still with me, guys? Please type. Okay, now before we go to the next presentation, I want to be sure that everyone is still here with me. I want to ask, okay, type 1, for those who are already registered, already investing, and already done successful withdrawal, please type 1. Okay. And then for those who already joined, who already registered, but not yet doing deposit, have not done deposit or withdrawal, you can type 2. Okay. And then for those who have not registered with BWIS, you can type 3. Okay. Come on, are you with me? Okay, thank you. Agent, Desire Agent, you type 1. Okay, you already deposit, you already withdraw. Congratulations. Mr. Muhammad Fadli, you are 2. Thank you. You are number 2. You already registered, but not yet deposit or withdraw. Sheila, you have not registered. It's also okay. Thank you for sharing. Okay. Now I will, okay, there's questions here from Dele Ajala. Please, why can't ROI be dropping after 24 hours of investment instead of 48 hours? It seems scary for newbies when they buy bots on a Saturday. All right, so basically, the bot starts to work 24 hours after your investment. It trades on that day, and by the end of the day at 2 GMT time, it gives you the profit. This happens unless for Sunday. Why? Because Sunday the bot is on maintenance. Okay, so actually it's okay. If you do the investment on Sunday, okay, so the bot will start doing the trade on Monday, 24 hours after that. And then you will receive the profit at 2 GMT after that day. Okay, so I hope this clarifies. Yeah, on Saturday, if you do the deposit on Saturday, there will be a delay because Sunday the bot is on maintenance. Okay, daily Adhala, I hope it clarifies you, yeah. So it actually is not 48 hours. It only happens if you do it on Saturday. If you do it on Sunday, if you deposit on Sunday, activate the bot, you will start receive on Monday, sorry. Because Sunday the bot is on maintenance. Yeah, if you deposit on Tuesday, remember 24 hours after Tuesday is Wednesday, right? On Wednesday, the bot starts working. At the end of the day of Wednesday, okay, which is 2 GMT, it sends you the profit. The profit will come on Thursday. I hope you understand this. Okay. Yeah, because the bot need time to trade. They do the trade on Wednesday. If you deposit Tuesday, the bot will start on 24 hours after that. It does the trade on Wednesday. Yeah, it is activated after 24 hours. Yes, correct. I hope it explains. Okay. Yes. Okay, good. Daily Agile. Thank you for the questions. Now let's go with the partnership program presentation. I will just make it very quick here. So basically, using the BWIS partnership program, your earning potential is limitless here. And it depends solely on your ambition. This is an active income. It is different with the bot. That the bot is passive income, but here it is active income. You attract your partners, build your network, and multiply your profits many times over. So how to do that is very simple. You just use this partnership program, share your link, earn the cashback after your partner deposit. Okay, it's very fast. As soon as your partner deposit, you earn the cashback. And then you can motivate your partners. And of course, after that, you grow your career and income. Now, so your career rank here. What do you need to do? What you need to do to advance your career rank is you need to reach a certain milestone. We will see that on the table later on, okay? So once your sales volumes reach a certain milestone, your career rank is automatically upgraded. You also will have an increased earning because once your career rank grows, you will unlock more levels within your partner network. And of course, your cashback percentage is also rising. That allows you to earn even more. And then there's instant cash rewards and unlimited potential. Why? Because the depth is up to unlimited. You see here, simple steps. First, after you register on the BWIS platform, you activate the bot and get your link, and then share your link and start earning. Okay, here is the table of the commissions and the earning and also the bonus. Okay, when you join BWIS, you start with 1 star. You start with the rank is 1 star. It gives you opportunities to earn starting from 6% in level 1 to 1% level 2, another 1% level 3, for 0.5% for level 4 and 5, and 0.25% for 6th and 7th level depth. Okay, so even on the first rank, you already can get commission from 7 level of depth. Okay, so it's very interesting. Now, on the second rank, once you reach certain group sales, I will explain later. We will see later on in the next slide. The rank goes up to 2 stars, and then you can see that the percentage is also higher here. You get 7% from your level 1, and it goes to 8 level depth. Here, once you fulfill the requirement of the volume, you also get instant bonus $250 US. And you can see here all down here up to Crown Star. You can earn up to 15% commission from level 1. And it goes up to unlimited depth. Okay, this is unlimited. You can get 0.25% unlimited depth. And then you also get $250,000 US. So it's unlimited potential for your earning. Now we need to see there is a requirement for each rank. Hold on, what happened with my slide? Oh, sorry. Oops. So this is 1 star. You have active personal volume. Minimum is $100 US. Once you activate this, you have the right to get 6% from your partner from the level 1 up to 7 level 7, okay, 0.25%. And then if you want to go to 2 stars, you need $1,000 US for your own active personal volume, and you need $10,000 for team sales volume. but you will get sales bonus $250 and your commission is also higher here, 7%. Okay, now I just skip this. It goes to 3 stars. You can see here 2,500 for active personal volume. Team sales is 50,000. But you see here the level is getting higher as well. Okay, you can get up to 10 level and you can get sales bonus of 1,000. It goes up. You can check here. We will send this presentation for you. You will see here each rank will require a different APV, active personal volume, and different team sales volume. Okay, bronze stars up to 20 levels depth. You can see here, I'm not going to read all of them. You can see here, okay? And we can go to a question and answer sessions later on. Silver star. This is where our top leader right now is heading to gold. Gold star. Active personal volume must be minimum 50,000. Team sales volume $3 million and will get 11% for the first level and up to 75 level. Wow, this is a lot. Okay, we get sales bonus of 25,000. Goes up to the highest is crown star. Active personal volume is 500,000. Team sales volume is $30 million and you will get 15% from your level 1 up to unlimited level. So this is very interesting. And you got sales bonus $250,000. Okay. So this is the key term that you need to know. You can see here there is APV, right? APV, TSV. Active personal volume, APV, is the total amount of your active investments, which is currently allocated to working bots. So APV impacts your career rank. You need to fulfill the APV requirement. Right? Now, what about team sales volume? Team sales volume is the total sum of all investments made by partners in your network. So it includes all partner contributions at every level of your structure, regardless of whether those investments are currently active or have already ended. You know, because some bots are only 10 days, but it's also included. Okay. The SV consistently grows and determines your progress in the partnership program. Okay. And now sales bonus, SB, bonus payment awarded for reaching new career rank. So the bonus is predetermined and specified in the description of each rank. So you know, yeah, the sales bonus is already listed there. Depends on your career rank. So sales bonus are awarded when a new rank is achieved and serve as an additional incentive to expand your partner networks. These payouts are essential part of the program, so hoping that you can boost your income and encourage team growth there. All right, so I think, oh yeah, this is very important as well. So how to calculate the TSV, the sales turnover calculation formula. Okay, the network sales turnover is based on the value of bots purchased by your partner at different levels within the structure. Now, the percentage of each sale is added to your team's total turnover depending on the level. For example, first level, you get 100% of sales. For example, if you invite a partner who buys a bot for $1,000, your turnover increased by $1,000. This is 100% for first level. To check on this, the second level is calculated 50% of sales. So when your first level partner recruits new member, 50% of the bot purchase value is added to your turnover. So for example, if your partner invites a new member who buys a bot for 1,000, their turnover increases by 1,000. Their turnover, this is your partner, okay? But while for you is 50%, is $500 is added to your turnover. So it's not 1,000, but it's 500 because it's from the second level. So it's 50% of sales. I hope you understand this. And for the third level is 25% of sales, and the fourth level and below is 10% of sales. So this is the calculation of your turnover. The more active of your team, the faster your turnover grows, and it directly influences your career status and bonuses. So hopefully you can get more. This encourage you to get more on your first level because 100% of sales. Okay, but anyway, even up to fourth level and below, you still get 10% of the sales for your turnover calculation. Now, why choose the BWIS partnership program? We learned about already, it's a good program. We'll learn the partnership program. So why is it good? Why? Because you see the sign here. This is unlimited earning potential. Okay. And then it's also transparent and reliable. It's also simple and automatic. Okay. Because the program is fully automatic. Once your partner deposit, it's automatically go into your platform, your dashboard. And you can also have consistent and stable income. You have career growth here and motivation. And you have the power to change your life here. Now, we are looking for leaders, how to become the BWIS leader. There are key to success here. Number one, is that you have to be a team motivator. And then you also need to guide your team to financial success. You also need to become a role model. You also need to drive company progress, because when the company progress, you also progress. And then as a leader, you are becoming the connecting link between the company and also the partners. We need to ensure there is a seamless collaboration and maximum success for both sides. Okay, leaders are in the middle between the partners and also the company. Now, by being BWIS leader, you got the privilege and recognition because BWIS values its leaders by offering unique growth opportunities. It gives additional bonuses and dedicated personal support when you get the rank. Okay, there is an example of real investors and also leader here. This is Oliver. Okay, he purchased a PT bot of $10,000, and then his stable monthly income is $3,000. This is generated by the bot. Okay. And then he also he joined the partnership program. He invited 5 friends who became investors, and each of them attract 10 more partners. So as a result, Oliver's network includes over 50 participants. So with his team activity, Oliver then can earn cashback from every bot purchase within his network, and his monthly income has grown to $25,000. From $3,000 become $25,000, and it continues to rise as his networks expand. His career rank increases, and he unlocks additional bonuses, of course. Now, with BWIS, whether you prefer passive income through smart investments, or you are aspired to lead and grow with a network, BWIS provides opportunities for everyone. So it's now your turn to become a BWIS leader. Your success is in your hands. You can join BWIS leaders and start building your future today. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation. Now we can go to question and answer sessions. You are allowed to unmute yourself now, or you can type if you don't feel comfortable to speak up. You can type the questions or you can speak up. I think now we can mute. You can unmute. Anyone would like to ask questions? You can raise your hands first. Or I'll try to unmute all of you here. Is there any questions? Okay, if there's no questions, before there's another questions coming, I would like to invite anyone here who already have joined BWIS and have successful withdrawal, or even have got their capital back. Anyone would like to share? Please open your mic.
Hello.
Hello, Jinlei. Desire
Yeah.
Jinlei. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, good day, everyone.
Yeah.
I've been a partner to BWIS since April 3rd. So I would like to share my experience so far with BWIS. What the posts are generated for me and how much I've made so far.
Okay, sure, go ahead. I think it's good to listen from your experience then.
Okay, come on, I'm coming up. Hold on. Share, okay.
You wanna share your screen?
Screen. I clicked on screen and
or you just wanna talk, it's okay.
It's taking me to somewhere else. Let me check. I'm coming.
I'm not so sure if you can share your screen. Hold on.
Okay. So that's just it. So briefly, I joined BWIS. I joined BWIS with $500. If I'll not be able to share my screen, I joined BWIS $500, and the $500 generated a lot of money for me for the first time to test and to confirm the transparency in BWIS. I've made more than $400. So when I discovered this transparency in BWIS on the 3rd of April that I joined, I later top up with another $500 on the 8th of April, and I've withdrawn money. I withdrew even today. I withdrew $40, and I got it instantly in my Bybit account, which I'm trying to share. If I could share this, it would have even opened up a lot of things here. But since I will not be able to share, I think I've made a lot of money with BWIS. And BWIS is the kind of company where you make money while you are even sleeping.
Wow.
You don't need to be an expertise to trade on BWIS. The system handles execution on your behalf, even when you are sleeping. And the most sweetest part is you have access to your fund without additional charges. If you are withdrawing, the withdrawal is zero withdrawal fee, no charges, no gas fee. You withdraw your money and no gas fee. Your capital come back to you after the cycle. That's the contract complete. Maybe you have a S-boat, like S-boat. I traded with S-boat, $500. That was 10 days. So after the 10 days, my capital returns back for me to either withdraw or to recycle it. And I recycle because I've seen a lot of transparency in BWIS. So you can buy multiple boats. Presently, 3 boats are running for me. And I have recycled like 5 times in my account. Recycle has recommit $500 in my account, and I've made a lot of money there. There's no pressure, no complexity in decision making. You don't need to say you want to guess anything. The system does everything for you.
Wow.
There's no application of emotion. You want to, like all those manual traders, when they trade, there's emotion there. There's kind of, I will lost money. No, nothing like that in BWIS. The system is well structured.
Wow, that's cool.
Yes.
So you already make 5 rounds of bots as bots?
Yes, I've made 5
Wow.
rounds of both the cycle, and I started on the 3rd of April. I think a month ago now. So
Wow.
5 of my boats have completed their assignment. They return my capital, I recommit back. So, and I've made money. I've made as the money is coming, I keep withdrawing. Assuming I can share my screen, you will see the withdrawals step by steps, and you see the income, and you see my teams are generating money for me on daily basis, even today. So it's a very lovable platform that everybody should join.
Wow, thank you,
So
Jinli.
that's the little I can say for now.
Congratulations, you have.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
So that's all for now.
Thank you very much. So you're happy, right? With BWIS. Yeah, because you take the S-bot starts from for 10 days and you go 5 cycles already, right? It keeps coming back. Congratulations, you make a lot of money with BWIS. Right?
Thank you.
That's good.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Jinlei, for sharing. Okay, yeah, I see someone's typing here. Dele Ajala. He said my network isn't strong. It's cracking. I can't unmute to testify. Sorry. Oh, okay. It's okay. Do you want me to unmute you? Where are you? Hold on. But to be candid, BWIS is a place to go at this time. It's dependable and lovely. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, I'll try to unmute you if you want to say something. Let me try. Okay. Anyone would like to say anything else? Okay, if there are any other questions, I'm sorry. You can type your questions or you can ask to unmute. Okay, Pak Muhammad Fadli, you have no questions. All right. So if there's no questions, then I think please contact your sponsor, contact anyone who invites you to join this platform, to join this Zoom, and then ask for the link for the referral link to join the platform, start your investment, and start earning with a BWIS platform. Okay, thank you very much for coming to the Zoom tonight. We'll see you, I think, I don't know, are you already in the group? I think, Badi, you want to share something? Badiana? Do you want to say anything, or do you want to share the group, the WhatsApp group link in the chat? Badi? You're welcome, Mr. Fadli. Okay, my internet connection is unstable here. Let me check. Mbak Diana. Mbak Diana. Are you there? Okay. Anyone want to share anything? Zoom tonight? Maybe asleep. Okay. Okay. Anyway, anyone, thank you very much for coming tonight. We really appreciate your time. And we really expect that you join BWIS platform, either becoming investors or becoming, and you can earn a lot of money here. Thank you very much for coming. Good evening. From Indonesia, Lina here. We'll see you next time. Okay. Thank you. Spasiba, Francisco.
Thank you, Mira.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Good night. Bye-bye.